Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Now this video was supposed to be a first impression on this sensational boss lady half wig, but you'll see the ups and downs of this hair, whether I like it, whether I don't like it, and why I had to come back, and it's just a lot going on, okay? Yeah guys, so yeah, stay tuned if you want to see exactly what I mean and what's going on and why I liked it, why I didn't like it, do I like it, don't I like it, I don't know. Thumbs up, yeah, okay. Yeah, just keep watching.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
I don't like it, guys. It's raining outside. I changed my shirt because it's hot, and I dropped my kids off. I have to go to work, but guess what? I have to come back on here and fix this. It's raining outside, so natural hair, rain hits it, it poofs up. So I don't like the way my hair is blending in with the half wig. The hair itself is nice. I just wish this was a full wig. So yeah, I would do the half up, half down. I'll probably do that another time, but I just don't have time right now. I'm gonna be late to work. And if you guys have been watching me, you know I don't like really working on my wigs. I like just putting them on. You know what I mean? So I guess this is a half wig, so I should have expected to have to do some type of work, but I didn't know it was gonna be this much, man. Honestly, I don't like it. Like, even if I would have went in with a flat iron, my hair would have definitely still poofed up because of the rain. So it's hot today. Yeah, weirdly the weather is kind of like wacky. I mean, the curls are beautiful, honestly, but
My heart would never beat much faster.
Alright, so this is the best I could do. I don't really have time. So out of 10, I give this unit a 3. And the only reason why I give it a 3 is because I really like the curls. Okay, this would have been a perfect match as far as blending with my hair if the weather wasn't so wacky. I just wish this was a full unit, like I said earlier. If this was a full unit, this would have been so bomb. Like, they need to make a full unit out of this hair. I don't like applying heat like flat irons. I don't like flat ironing my hair hair or curling my hair with the flat iron just to make my hair blend with my wigs or half wigs, because I feel like a protective style should be that. I don't want to have to apply too much heat to my hair just to get it to blend. Again, it's the weather. It's raining, so my natural hair proofed up, so it was gonna have a hard time holding a curl anyway. But for me, I just like easy breezy units. I don't like working too hard. I have to go on my way to work. I have kids. Sometimes I just don't have the time, especially when I'm protective styling, to be playing too much with hair, trying to make it work. All right, so this is what it is for now. Let me show you guys the back. With this one, I say save your money, but it's still kind of cute. I don't know, whatever. Y'all, I had to come back and show you guys. This is a couple of days later from the clips that you guys just seen from me. My mind changed. I do like the hair. I do like the hair. I think in the beginning I was a little skeptical of the hair and kind of like, because I was not blending it with my hair. I didn't have the time to blend it with my hair. Y'all, I've gotten so many compliments since the last clips that you guys have seen. People are actually thinking that this is my hair because it blends in so perfectly with my hair. Now, even with the last style that you guys saw with me putting it, doing a part right here and then blending in it with the unit back here, that style was actually really pretty, and I couldn't really get it at first because I was expecting something else. So I think that's why I didn't like the hair. And so that's why, you know, with first impression videos, sometimes it's not fair to the company and to the hair, because you're not giving it a moment, you're not giving it a chance to actually really work for you. But y'all, I changed my mind. I absolutely love this hair. I've had this in for about a week now. The clips that you saw before, I had just unpacked it from the box. So now I'm kind of used to the hair and I know what to expect from it. And I think that's why I like it even more, because it's not that big of a deal like I thought earlier. So I was like, yeah, no, let me be fair. Let me come back and share with you guys how much I've been loving it. I know, complete opposite from what I was saying earlier. And this time I just did a half up, half down style. Today's the first day that I did this, and I love it. But prior to today, I've just been rocking it just like you saw in the last clip, a part right here, and just blending it, pinning it and blending the back. Yeah, so this texture and this like style matches 4C. I do have 4C hair, but letting you guys know, I did go in and blow dry the front part, and then I had, like you saw, installed flexi rods in my hair. But yeah, I didn't go in with the flat iron. I don't recommend going in with a flat iron, especially when you are protective styling. That's just my preference. But yeah, if you like going in with a flat iron, that would be fine too. Your hair would match perfectly with this, even more. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and also the updates and also the confusion with the, you know, whatever. But I always have to keep it real with you guys and come back and let you know what's really going on. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And while you're here, you might as well click into the next video and watch more of my videos and comment, and feel free to leave me any questions in the comment section as well. And make sure to look in the description box if you're interested in this hair for the link. Okay, thank you so much guys. Until next time, bye.